Hi, I'm Miss Marie Baha, and this is my son, Ollie.
Hello.
Today, we are going to be adding and subtracting money. We are going to be using a dime and a penny to add and subtract. So how much is a dime worth, Ollie?
It is worth 10 cents.
10 cents. So if this is worth 10 cents, do you think it should go in the tens place or the ones place?
The tens place.
Why do you think the dime should go in the tens place?
Because it's worth 10 cents.
Good.
And it has 10 in the tens.
Okay. Okay, next we're going to use a penny. And a penny is worth how much? How many cents is a penny worth?
1 cent.
1 cent. So do you think the penny should go in the tens place or the ones place?
Ones place because there's already something in the tens place.
And it's worth 1 cent. So these are our ones and these are our tens, okay? So now we're going to think of some scenarios where we would have money. So let's say that my mom gave me 14 cents, okay? So I got 14 cents from mom. And then my dad comes along and he gives me more, and he gives me 13 more cents. So now I got the number 13. Now we're going to try to remember now if we're going to have more, should we be adding with the plus sign or subtracting with the minus sign?
Adding.
Adding. That is right. If I had 14, then I got 13 more, that would be adding. So let's build, okay? So we got 14 would be 110. And how many ones?
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. So now we got 14. Now we're going to just keep adding on. So we're going to add 13. So that would be how many tens?
1.
110. And how many ones? 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's add. Count by tens first, then we're going to count by ones.
10, 20,
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. And what two numbers make up 27?
Make it 27?
Yeah, what are the two?
27.
Yes, a 2 and a 7.
27.
Okay.
27.
Okay, let's start over. You put the tens and the ones back for me. And I'll erase. I'm just going to stick these under the 10 cents and that's under the 1 cent. Okay.
Doesn't need to be perfect as long as it's on there.
Okay. So now, let's think. I have 35 cents. Okay, so I got 35 cents. And then my brother comes along and takes 10 cents away from me. How could you? It's going to take 10 cents away. So are we putting together with the plus sign or are we taking apart with the minus sign?
Taking away.
Taking away.
Like I just took away a minus sign from you.
Yeah.
And put it in my piggy bank that's right here.
Okay, let's build. Can you build 35?
Yes. I know! It looked like it died to my eyes.
So we got 3 tens.
Oh no.
It's okay. 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So now we've got 35. Now we need to take away instead of adding together, so we're going to take away 10. So what should we take away to take away 10?
A dime.
Okay, and now we can start counting and see how much money do we have left? 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, put it back. Okay, next we are going to see what we're going to do when we have 72 cents. So I have 72 cents from my brother. He gave it to me. And then my sister decided to give me 22 cents more. So let's see. First my brother gave me 72 cents. And then my sister said, "Oh, I'll give you some change. I got 22 cents for you." So if we're getting more, should we be using the plus sign and putting together, or using the minus sign and taking away? Yeah, the plus sign, you're right. Okay, so we're going to be adding if we're getting more and we're putting them together. So let's build. So first we'll build 72. So how many 10s should I put?
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we need 2 1s. Go ahead, do 2 1s. Okay, now we're going to add 22. So we need, how many 10s? We need 1, 2 10s. We're running out of space. Okay, and how many 1s do we need for 22?
Another 2.
Good, 2 1s. Okay, so now we can add them. So let's just count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. Wow, that's a big number. Now you've got 94 cents.
No, you got it.
Okay, let's clean these up. You put it back while I clean up.
Oh, it looks like we're having a rainy day today.
Yep, it's a rainy day today. Okay. We'll put our dimes in the 10 spot. And the pennies in the 1s. Okay, so let's do one more problem. Let's think. If Ollie there has 59 cents. Okay, how many cents do you have? 59 cents.
50.
So that would be a 5 and a 9. And then he decided to buy something with his 59 cents. So he bought something for 30 cents. Now, when you have a certain amount of money and you buy something, do you have more or less money?
Less.
So to find out less money, would we be putting the two numbers together or taking some away?
Taking some away.
Taking some away, that's right. So we would be subtracting with the minus sign. Okay, so let's build 59. How many 10s make 59?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 5.
Okay, that's 50. Now we need to make 9s.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Can you talk louder?
6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, go ahead and put them up there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we have 59 cents. Now we need to take away 30 cents. So how would we take away 30 cents?
By taking away 3 dimes.
Okay, so I'm going to take away 3 dimes. 1,
2,
2, 3. Now, how much money do we have left after we bought that item?
1,
10,
10,
20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. And how do we write a 29?
A 2 and a 9.
And a 9. Okay,
Starting from the top.
that's it. We just added and subtracted our coins. So help you with real life situations. Have a good day. Bye.
Bye.